here, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for you to be watching my videos, and today I decided to do a little review and also give you some tips and pointers on using the new active hydration system or collection from MONAT. So I have been using the products for quite a while, ever since they rolled out, so I can definitely share the real results and also kind of give you some pointers on how to use, and also some tips and tricks and the little things that I have tweaked here and there in using the product. So maybe you will find them useful if you're considering, trying this active hydration line. I'll tell you exactly which hair type would benefit from these products and how to use them. So if that's something that you are looking into, please keep on watching. So let me first of all show you what the active hydration system or collection, it's more of a collection because it contains 4 products, looks like. So it comes with advanced hydrating shampoo, and you can see that brand new products with MONAT are also color coded. So this one is like a little teal color. Then it comes with advanced hydrating conditioner that kind of looks like this. Heavenly hydrating mask. I love this mask. And it comes with double action hydrating serum. This is the brand new box I just got, so I'll just unbox it and show you what's in there and kind of talk you through the whole process. So as all the MONAT products, you can see that the bottles are pretty small, but literally this little bottle of shampoo lasts me 4.5 months, and I shampoo every other day. So definitely in comparison with salon brands that I used to use before, a liter bottle of salon shampoo would last me about 2 months. So this little guy or girl or whatever, little bottle lasts me way longer than salon liter bottles. So all products are super concentrated, so don't be fooled by the price. In the end, you'll be actually spending way less money on MONAT products than on anything else out there, I guarantee you. If you're using products correctly, you have to use the products correctly. So what does this collection do and who can actually use it? So basically these products contain hyaluronic acid, which is like, when they first rolled it out, we were all like, what? Like, normally it's normal to use hyaluronic acid for our skin, because we know when we are born with a high content of hyaluronic acid. As we're aging, we tend to lose the hyaluronic acid. So that's why babies have, that smooth baby skin. And then once we're aging, our skin gets drier. So what does hyaluronic acid actually do? A molecule of hyaluronic acid can contain up to 2,000 molecules of water. So what it's gonna do, it's going to basically get that moisture, get that water, hydration from the air, from the water, from the surroundings, and it's actually going to keep it on your hair and make sure that your hair gets hydrated, stays hydrated throughout the whole day. So these products are actually really, really long lasting, which is amazing. It also contains a rejuvenate oil, which is a blend of 13+ different organic oils, so it's actually going to nourish your hair as well. So this technology is very new to hair care. No other hair care line has ever done anything like this. So you will see that MONAT is kind of incorporating things from skincare into hair care, which is pretty cool, I think. So who can actually use this advanced hydrating shampoo and conditioner and the whole collection? Basically, I would say anybody. It's good for all hair types, because also it sounds like active hydration, but literally it's based out of water, right? So it's not going to replenish the oils, it's going to replenish the water, the hydration that our hair needs. And everybody needs hydration. So basically this line is going to give your thirsty, dehydrated hair a huge drink of water. So even if you have fine thin hair like myself, I have really fine thin limp hair, you can use this collection. What it's gonna do, it's actually going to make your hair more voluminous, because when our hair loses water, loses hydration, it tends to get drier and it tends to lose volume. It tends to lose bounce. It almost, the strands kind of dry out and almost, yeah, shrink. But when you give them that boost of hydration, almost double in size. It's amazing, like what this stuff can do. It's good for coarse, curly hair as well. It's going to give that, you know, extra hydration that the coarse, curly, ethnic hair is lacking naturally. So how to use this product? You would obviously shampoo twice with this advanced hydrating shampoo, and it even states on the bottle for dull, lifeless, thirsty hair. So pretty much any hair type can be dull, lifeless, and thirsty. Just like us, it's important to drink water throughout the day. It's important to hydrate your hair as well. So you will shampoo twice with this shampoo. Then you're going to apply this heavenly hydrating mask, and then you're going to leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So what is this mask going to do? It's a little bit different than anything else out there. It smells like, the smell is very different from all the MONAT smells. It almost smells like, I don't know, men's cologne or men's products. I don't know. But it's a very pleasant smell. It's not like it's disgusting or anything. It's a really like nice, light, but very different. If you're already using MONAT and you haven't tried these products, you're going to be surprised, and I think in a good way. The smell is a little bit different. So the difference between other masks and this mask, it's very lightweight and almost watery. Like how do I put it into words? When you apply it onto your hair, it does not kind of like butter through it like other masks would do. It would make your hair super smooth. This mask, you would see if your hair is really dehydrated and thirsty, your hair will just like suck it right in and almost double in size. Like my strands in the shower, when I apply this mask, they almost like double in size and like suck this mask right in. So it's just very interesting what this mask can really do. What does this mask really do? It protects your hair cuticle and the actual strand from losing water, from getting dehydrated, from dryness, and from moisture loss. As like I already said, it does use the hyaluronic acid based technology, so it's very different from anything else that you've probably used before. It also provides a long lasting hydration, right? So like I said, hyaluronic acid is going to stay on your hair, is going to ensure that, you know, your hair is basically drinking water throughout the day. So it's a really good thing. It adds body, it adds manageability, it adds shine, it adds bounce to your hair. It also improves elasticity of hair strands. So like I always say, hair is most vulnerable when it is wet. So a normal healthy hair strand, it would, you know, stretch and go back to normal state. Dehydrated hair is more prone to breakage, right? So it will stretch and then it will break. So these products are actually going to ensure that your hair does not break during the showering or throughout the day as well. So it's going to protect your hair from that. And like I said, it's good for all hair types, and it's all the products that MONAT releases are all safe for color treated hair. So you're going to keep this mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I normally just leave it on for about, I don't know, in 5 minutes. My hair just sucks it right in. Like when I rinse it out, there's almost nothing to rinse out, which is weird because I live in a very, very dry climate. Like it's almost kind of like Utah compared to Saskatchewan is super dry. It's crazy. So we definitely are all dehydrated here. So these products are a life changer and lifesaver. So after you rinse this mask out, you're going to follow in with the conditioner. And this is how all our products work. You do the mask and then you do the conditioner because it's going to close those cuticles. It's going to kind of smooth everything out. It's going to ensure that everything is really, you know, nice and smooth and protected basically. So I really, really like this conditioner as well. It just makes your hair really like buttery, soft, silky, smooth, like if it makes sense. So now let's talk about the Advanced Double Action Hydrating Serum. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It comes with 3 little vials. I'm just gonna open this box for you guys and show you what it looks like. So when you open this box, you can see these 3 little vials, and it also comes with a little shower cap on the bottom. There's a little cute shower cap so that you can use as well. So I'm just gonna... So basically what this serum is, it's very lightweight. It's an active treatment serum for dehydrated hair. And the reason why there are 3 vials, it's because originally it's designed to kind of be a very like a treatment, like a 3-week treatment system, which, like, I'll tell you, you don't have to do it in 3 weeks. You don't have to always follow instructions, but you could totally do it in, you know, 3 consecutive days. Let's say if your hair is super moist, like super hydration deprived, super starved and dehydrated. So I'll show you the, like, one of the vials. So the vials look like this. And the key is, before applying it, you have to shake it really well. And it's going to become blurry. This is when you can actually apply it. Once it starts, you know, once all the ingredients have mixed and it becomes blurry, that's when you spray it onto your hair. So there are a few different ways how you can be using them. You can use it after shampooing, so you have towel dried your hair, and you can spray it onto your hair. Basically, you can spray it from roots to ends, and then you can put your little shower cap on for about 15 minutes and leave it on. And then after that, you can either rinse it out again, or you can actually leave it on and let it be. I would say if you have really coarse, dry, almost ethnic hair, you could just, like, literally leave it on. You just spray it on, like spray a lot of it on and leave it on. So you can actually use half a vial. Depending if your hair is long and coarse and ethnic, you could probably just use half a vial and just let it, you know, let it sit on your hair, because you probably do not shampoo your hair everyone so often, right? So if you have really fine limp hair like me, there is a little trick. I followed instructions first, and I found my hair feeling a little bit heavy because my hair is super fine and limp. So I definitely do not need half a vial of this. As it's promised on the kind of, like, it's recommended on the instructions. You do not need half a vial. Like, I literally, if I'm planning to leave it on after towel drying my hair, I just sprayed a little bit, like a little mist here and there, like and concentrating on the ends where my hair is super dry. I definitely try to stay away from my roots because, you know, if you have fine limp hair, you don't want anything on your roots. So I definitely just spray it on. Maybe I give myself like 3 sprays, like max. And just leave it on, and then apply Rejuva beads, split and mender, and then just, you know, style my hair as usual and let it air dry or whatever. But there is another way that I have been using this serum, and it's awesome. Like, I'm just gonna share it with you. So when you, like, if you're taking a shower at night, and I hope you do, you can actually, because the shower provides that moisture, that, you know, the vapors in the air, right? So your hair basically kind of absorbs those vapors from the air. And if you are going, let's say, to shampoo your hair in the morning, what you could do, you could just literally, after having a shower, spray the serum onto your hair. And you can spray more than you would spray, you know, in the morning if you're going to be leaving it in. So you're going to just shake your vial really well. You're going to spray, and here's where you can actually spray it onto your roots as well, because you don't care, you're going to shampoo your hair in the morning. So you're going to spray it on, and I normally spray a lot, like a lot more than I would spray in the morning. And then what I do, I actually take Rejuvenic oil, and I do a little oil treatment, and then I just run my fingers through the strands of my hair and kind of like run that Rejuvenic oil on top. So I'm like basically killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm giving my hair hydration, and I'm giving my hair moisture, which comes from oils, which is brilliant. I think I'm a brilliant person. So that's what I've been doing lately, and you will see the difference. Oh my God, in the morning, once you shampoo your hair, You will not believe how shiny it is, how soft it is. I actually used this serum this morning. So it's just like you can run your hair. It just feels like silk and like butter and just feels amazing. So this is just a little trick that you could be doing to give your hair a little bit of boost of hydration as well. So this is something that I've been doing. Another way to use this serum, you could be, let's say you shampooed your hair, you towel dried, like you can towel dry your hair a little bit, and then you can spray the serum on, leave it on for about 15 minutes with a shower cap on, and then you're going to rinse it, then you're going to do the mask, and then you're going to do the conditioner. So it's just another way to do this whole collection, to use this whole collection as a treatment, right? So here's how I've been using the products, and I'm going to tell you guys, I absolutely love this collection. I don't mind the smell because it's very different. First of all, I was not used to it, but now it's just like, it's amazing. The mask, I would say if you have really coarse, dry hair, ethnic hair, you will find this mask a little bit different. You will find this mask not smooth in your hair, but rather it's different. So you have to try it to know what I'm talking about. It's watery. It's watery and very light, and you will see that your hair will just absorb it right in. It's going to just suck it right in and get all the nutrients and all the hydration. And yeah, so my verdict is I absolutely love this collection. I recommend it to absolutely anybody. The products are not heavy, even for fine, thin, limp hair. Anybody can use them, even the Active Hydration Shampoo. I know a lot of the times when you have fine, limp, thin hair, you tend to stay away from anything hydrating because it's heavy, but our products are different. MONAT does not contain silicones or waxes. Those are the main reasons why fine limp hair would actually be super limp and lifeless and dull and lacking volume. But our products do not contain that. They only contain really good ingredients, naturally based, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and all the good stuff. So if you want to try these products, definitely recommend them. Give them a try. If you have any questions about the products or about anything, just reach out to me. I'll always leave my email in the description bar. And if you like videos like this, if you like reviews like this, please feel free to follow me, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned for more videos because I will be posting a lot more videos like this. And hope you have a great day or night depending when you're watching this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!